some Bitcoin. I need some Bitcoin. Yeah. I want that Bitcoin. I want that Bitcoin. I need that Bitcoin.
Time to learn at least 5 different ways you can get paid with cryptocurrency. One of the first things you can do is you can become an influencer. You can start a YouTube channel, Facebook channel, Instagram, any social network. Is you figure out a way to just produce consistent content, and all you're doing is talking about cryptocurrency. It can be talking about what's going on in the news. It can be talking about memes. It can be talking about just in general interviewing people who are cryptocurrency experts. You get you a good 50,000 followers. Now you can sell cryptocurrency merchandise that you create, events that you put together. Because when you're an influencer, you have a large group of people that are just waiting to be in tune with whatever it is that you have available. Sponsorship opportunities. Don't be a financial advisor, or you start recommending to go to people going with particular companies and those companies end up being a scam. That can make you look really bad and make your reputation look bad. With being a cryptocurrency influencer, you don't even have to create your own content. You can actually use a lot of content that already exists on news websites or other social media websites, and you just remaking some of the videos. But I do encourage you, if you're going to be an influencer, find something that's unique to you and they like your unique perspective and your brand, not just because you're generic. You can even have a page making cryptocurrency songs if you like.
Cryptocurrency, currency, currency. We want cryptocurrency, currency, currency, cryptocurrency, currency, currency. Blockchain bounce. We want crypto, 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 crypto.
The second way that you can make money with cryptocurrency is education. Crypto is introducing an entire new technology that can potentially replace or be an alternative for the entire financial system. Just think about how many people need basic information. People that are retired between their 50s and 65 years old that no longer want to just use their bank, but they want to start up a digital bank account. And they want someone to educate them on how to do it. There's a huge market. Think about the younger people, children is growing up and need to learn about cryptocurrency. So many people that need to learn about basic stuff like how do you get a wallet, how do you buy crypto, how do you sell crypto, etc. And the education is constantly changing. So you can have your own schools. You can actually focus on one specific area. You don't have to know everything. Use it, know what the hell you're talking about, and then from there, you can teach other people. Another amazing way to make money with cryptocurrency is learning how to program. Less than 5,000 people across the entire planet really know how to program cryptocurrency. Most of the people who talk about crypto, honestly, those people really are just marketers. Most people don't know how to program and develop their own software wallets or actually develop blockchain technology. So there's a huge market for people doing that. Do you understand how much money is lost just because of hackers every single day in cryptocurrency? Think about the ATMs that have bad security, hard wallets, soft wallets. If you can become a developer specifically designing security features or just focusing on safe ways that people can be able to protect their crypto or recover old passwords, you, my friend, are going to be a billionaire. I'll tell you where the money is really at. Foreign exchange. If you learn how to trade on the foreign exchange and trade cryptocurrencies, you can make massive amount of profits based on the prices going up and down every single day by not even owning the cryptocurrency. See, when you're just buying crypto, let's say you're buying Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, now you're speculating. You're earning money if the price goes up, if the price goes down. Once you start trading on the foreign exchange, not only do you make money if the prices go up and down, but then you also learn a valuable skill that you can make money for either teaching other people, or you can just have a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. Why not learn how to trade? Another amazing way to make some money in crypto is number 5 is cryptocurrency mining. Now there's 2 types of mining that you can do. You can actually buy the hardware yourself and be a cryptocurrency miner. Now you're going to be spending money on electricity and keeping up with the latest tools. Or you can invest into cloud mining. If you do cloud mining, now you don't even need to buy your own equipment. You can simply make money just by investing and sharing the cost and renting out equipment from other people. But you have to be careful because cloud mining it can be risky. You got to make sure you're working with a company that is a good, reputable company, and they are actually issuing the money to you. So if you're going to do that, just start with small amounts of money first, maybe $50 or $100, whatever the cheapest package they have, and seeing if they're consistent. But cloud mining can be a great way to make some extra cryptocurrency. $400 billion in the cryptocurrency industry right now. People that are investing, that are speculating just in getting in crypto. You have many institutions that are getting involved. So why not focus on other ways outside of just investing in the cryptocurrency market yourself? And don't just sell people on the money making part of it. Tell people more and how they can be educated so that they can use this technology to empower themselves and protect themselves, and not just look at it from a point of a get rich quick scheme. And if you like this video, you want more like it, let me know. I try to give you more on a daily basis. Subscribe, click on notifications.
Blockchain balls. Hackers, they after my wallet. Hackers, they after my wallet. Crypto. Hackers, they after my wallet. Crypto. Whole lot of crypto. Hackers, they after my wallet. Crypto. Hackers, they after my wallet. Crypto. Hackers, they after my wallet. Crypto. Whole lot of crypto. Hackers, they after my wallet. The blockchain that says that I got it. Gotta protect my investments. Got to protect all my profits. So when they got me a ledger, yeah. My password is 28 letters, yeah. Had to go upgrade the software. Why? Hackers, they will try to test you, but you cannot tell nobody. Be quiet. People, cause they do not listen. You should have seen the face on my girl when she looked at her account and her money was made.